Hello and welcome. Today in this video we are gonna learn how to use Engtalki app. So firstly we are gonna write down on the Play Store in the search bar Engtalki app, and after that we are gonna search it. Now we are gonna install the Engtalki app. So now it's getting installed. Now we need to click on open. So we're gonna open the app. So as you can see, application has downloaded. Now we can move forward by clicking on the arrow. Now you can see the option sign in and register. So we can click on the register. Now you can see various options here: name, mobile number, email ID, password, confirm password. So we need to fill all this information here. So I'm going to fill all the information here, and now I can click on sign up. As I have filled all the information, my name, mobile number and so on. So as you can see, verification, it requires verification code. So you will receive a verification code on your email, so you need to check it out. So whatever the code that I have received, as you can see, this is the code that I have received. So this OTP I need to enter on my application right now. So I have entered the code, and now I'm gonna click on send. So my account has been verified successfully. Now I'm gonna log in it. So I need to enter my same email address and whatever the password that I've created. So I need to include that password as well. So I'm gonna write down my password and email right now. I have entered my password and email both. Now I'm gonna click on sign in. Now I have signed up my account. So we can see various options here, home page and all. So we're gonna learn all these options one by one. As we have already created our account, so now we are going to learn how to book a demo session. So now you can see on the screen as it is visible, book your demo now. So you can click on book. Now you can see the payment detail. So now I just need to click on the confirm payment. When you confirm the payment, so your demo session is going to be booked. That's how you'll be able to book a demo session. Now let's move forward. Now we are going to learn how to purchase a subscription plan. So you can see subscription and plan. So you can click on that. Here you can see various kind of subscription plans. There will be two kinds of plan, 15 minutes and 30 minutes. Apart from that, you can also choose how many classes that you just want to join per week. So as you can see, 1 day, 3 day, 5 days, accordingly you can choose. So on the basis of my requirement, I'm going to choose this plan, 15 minutes and 3 days. And now I'm gonna click on next. So as you can see, now I need to confirm the payment, so I will be able to purchase a subscription plan. So you can see, thank you for make payment, happy learning. So I have purchased the subscription plan and my payment has been done. As I have already purchased a subscription plan, now I am just moving forward. Now let's learn how to book the sessions. For that, you can click on the second option that is called tutor section. Click on the second option that is tutor section. So here you can see various tutors profile. So according to the requirement, you can check the schedule of the tutor, and according to the availability you can book the session. So here I'm gonna choose this tutor. So you can see 2 time slots are available here. So I'm gonna book a slot at 10:30 because I'm available at that moment. So now I have booked a slot at 10:30 p.m. So now if you just want to check it, you can again go to the home screen and you can scroll it. So now you can see here. So the upcoming session which is visible, you can see the date, you can see the time. At the same time, the topic is also visible. In each session, you'll be getting a topic on which you have to speak. So the topic is travel. So that's how you can see it. Apart from that, you can see two buttons, cancel button and start button. You can see cancel button and start button. So when your session is going to start, at that time you just need to click on the start button. Apart from that, it's very important to have Zoom application downloaded in your device, then you'll be able to attend the session, because the session is going to be conducted on Zoom application. Apart from that, if you want to cancel the session, so you can click on the cancel button. However, you can cancel your session before 3 hours of the session time, before 3 hours of the session time. Absolutely. So I hope you got it. Now let's move forward. Now you can click on the third option, that is the study material. So when you purchase a subscription plan, so all the study material is gonna provide it to you for each session, which topic that you're going to discuss. So you can prepare yourself for the given topic so that you can speak. Apart from that, the next option which you can see, join live session. So this is the new feature and this is going to be included soon. So here what you can do, you can join the live classes where you can ask your questions or the queries related to English language in these live sessions. And these sessions are also going to be conducted on Zoom application. So it's very important to have Zoom application. In these live sessions, you can ask your questions or the queries that you're having regarding English language or the application. Move forward. Now we can check the profile option. So here you can see various options, your wallet, subscription detail, and so on. So firstly, you can see subscription detail. So whatever the plan that you have purchased, all the information which you can see here related to your subscription plan, start date, when your subscription plan is gonna end. Apart from that, how many total sessions that you can join, and how many sessions are left. So all this kind of information you can see here in your subscription detail. Let's move forward to the next option, that is rate Engtalki. So if you want to rate our application, you can rate it here. Apart from that, the next option, which is favorite tutor. So if you are gonna click on the profile of the tutor, so you can choose them as a favorite tutor. So as you can see here, let's move forward to the next, FAQ. So if you have any question, frequently asked questions, so here you can get the answer of all the questions related to FAQs. Apart from that, you can also check the session history. You can click here. In the past, whatever the sessions that you have attended, all the sessions you can see here in past. Apart from that, whatever the upcoming session that you have, it will be visible in the upcoming option. Here you can see this is my upcoming session that I need to join. Next option, which you can see, help. If you have any query or any kind of question, or if you're getting through any kind of problem, so you can use the help section. So here you can write down the message, whatever the problem that you're facing, and you can submit. So directly Engtalki team will reach out to you as soon as possible. These are some sort of things that I have explained about Engtalki application, and I hope that this little information is going to help you to use Engtalki application accurately. Thank you.